Maraming mga neighbors na nasa labas. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's weather is 31 degrees Fahrenheit. So this time I am gonna do the snow challenge. First time ever na mag-snow challenge. Okay, so I don't know if I am ready. It's so cold. Oh my goodness. It's cold. But I will try. I will try to do this challenge, all right? And now, first, I am gonna take off my hat. Wow! I don't have gloves, so I took off my gloves already. Hat. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. Hat. And next is I am gonna take off my jacket. Oh my goodness. My jacket na anak ko din. Wow. See.
Oh wow.
Wow, there's... And next is the jacket. Jacket. Take off my jacket. Put it in there. Jacket. And next, oh my goodness, it's getting cold. I'm gonna take off my shoes. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh my goodness! Yeah. My pants. Oh my goodness. Pants. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Next! Oh my goodness! And next is my pants. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. What? Oh, Dyann! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. My foot. Dyann. Hi. It's cold. It's so cold. Happy New Year. Oh my goodness. My foot is so cold. Oh my goodness. My foot is so cold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this challenge is so cold. My foot is so cold. Oh my goodness. Color red na yung foot ko. Pwede maglagay ng jacket na lang. Ng shoes. Kasi ang lamig ng foot ko eh. Hindi kaya. Nagnap na siya. Gano'n po my shoes. Oh my goodness. Nagnam na yung foot ko. Kailangan natin ilagay ang shoes. Yan, how's that? Dyann, stay in here, Dyann. How's that? Oh my goodness. Why? I have maraming mga neighbors na nasa labas, baka makita nila ako. Actually, it's not that cold because I was drinking a hot chocolate before I came out, so it's not that cold. Yeah. Baka makita ako ng Hoy, Dyann and Mike. You got this, Dyann. You got Mike. Ang masasabi ko lang guys, kapag pupunta ka sa snow tapos mag-warm mag-drink ka ng warm na hot chocolate or coffee warm and then going ka sa labas, makakaya mo siya. Tapos yung mga paa mo, hindi siya kaya kapag nakapaakala kasi sobrang lamig, magnanamb yung mga paa mo. Kailangan may boots. Hindi ko kaya na walang boots talaga kasi masakit sa paa. Promise. Oh, actually, takbo ako kasi may neighbor pala na nakaganito ako. Ay, mga anak ko follow the leader, follow the leader. My babies, follow the leader. Ay, hindi sila nag-follow na doon. Ang saya naman ito. Actually, hindi ko alam kung kaya kong gumulong. I'm not ready for now. Michael and Dyann, you're going round and round. You're gonna turn round and round. Ayan na guys, medyo lumamig-lamig ng konti na. So, yung mga anak ko andoon na. Pero I love the weather. I love the weather. What happened? Oh no! Dyann! One, two, three. Mag-jump. Oh my gosh, may sasakyan na naman. Kailangan kong tumago. Kailangan kong magtago. May sasakyan na naman. Yung sa neighbor. Nakita na ako kanina. Kailangan din nila ako ulit. Where is Michael? Where is Dyann? Silipin ko muna yung mga anak ko ha. Oh, don't take a big life. Hello everybody. Why? Ang mga anak ko ay nasa background. Tarara, 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 tarara. Michael and Dyann. Tapos na yata. Ay. Sobrang lamig. Actually hindi masyadong malamig. Promise, di masyadong malamig. Kapag nandito lang, hindi siya masyadong malamig. Tapos, naka-boots. Kailangan naka-boots. Kasi kapag nakapaa lang, ang sakit sa paa. Magnanamb yung paa mo talaga. So. Okay guys, mag-dress up na ako. Okay, gusto ko lang mag-dress up na. Kaya ko siya. Kaya ko yung malamig na weather. Basta yung paa ko is naka-boots lang talaga. Next is the coat. And this one. Gloves. Now, I'm warm. Hindi ko na nasuot tong dalawang. Yaan mo na. Then, gloves. Yan. I'm back to normal. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also hit the bell for more videos that I am gonna do upload in the future. Thank you so much. It's so cool. In the snow challenge. Bye. See you on the next video. Bye.